As a child, I got diagnosed with Down syndrome, and so I would say in a public space in school, like elementary to middle school and high school, I used to get bullied. People have been talking about my weight, how I look, and people just talking stuff behind my back. But I just know for undercoming that, I broke many barriers, I broke many challenges, but hey, I'm here. I visit one, and I'm not gonna name no names of the college, but it didn't work out for me. It didn't have any more. It didn't fit my interests. But here at H.O.W. it did. Coming to college is more about college. So basically, you get to volunteer. You get to meet a lot of new people. You get to join a club. Like for me, I'm part of Sister to Sister, which is an organization for all African American students. Girls get to come in and spread the word of gospel, and we just like to spread the word around campus and stuff like that. And I also volunteer here at the H.O.W. at the food pantry. I like volunteering because I want people to be happy, and I want people to have food on their plates and stuff like that. I was telling them it's a great college so far, and I like the program so far. I would like to become a teacher. So when I get done with how I really want to become a special education teacher, I feel great. I feel great. I feel proud of myself deep down. It's like I've been telling my mom and my dad about what I've been doing on campus, and they are proud of me as well. They've been taking pictures of me and putting it on their Facebook page and expressing how they are proud of me.